back to another wonderful day. I'm going to work on the Nissan here again. I'm going to take the fenders off, and as you see, there was damage in that front corner on the fender. That's why I'm removing it. Now there's bolts in the bottom that I'll have to take off, but to take them off, I've got to take the rocker panel cover off, which is held by those clips that you see passing by. Plus there are other clips inside that I'll have to pry loose. First thing I have to do is remove a screw that's located right there where I'm working. Now for the hard part, to get down here where I can get the clips loose. Now for the screw in the back that's holding the rocker panel cover on. With the screw taken out, now it's time to pull the panel off by prying the clips behind it. To remove the fender, I'm going to have to take out several bolts. Two are at the bottom where I'm currently working. One will be in the top corner near the windshield. One is in the top behind the door. There are two along the top of the fender under the hood, and then one in the very front of the fender where the bumper cover goes. Uses a panel bonding foam on their factory original fenders. It is not replaceable, you cannot replace it, but it is a good way to know if your Nissan has ever been repaired. There's an up close shot of the foam. I'm also scraping off dirt that has to be washed off. Mounts are just a little bit off center from the impact, so I'm going to straighten them out using the hammer to get them where they need to be. Now it's time to put the fender back on. I'm basically going to reattach all the bolts that I took out originally. This will be a rough fitting as I'll do the major part of the adjustment later. I realized here I had to replace the hood hinges because the hood hinges are severely bent from the impact. The absolute easiest way to replace the hood hinges are to do it while the fenders are off. I run out of video before I finish putting the fender on. I won't bother showing the other side because it's all basically the same. Instead, the next thing we'll see is the installing of the hood. Front end's back together. As you see here, it is not perfect, but I'll adjust later. Alright, that's it for today. Didn't get as far as I would have liked to, but I still feel like I got a pretty good ways on it. As you see, just mocking the front end up, making sure everything's going to line up right. Everything looks pretty good. There's a little imperfections, but this is not a show car. I'm not going to worry about the minor imperfections. What I am worried about is that the car is put together right, and that when I'm done, everything functions the way it should. So, as I've said before, I'll remind you, please like, share, and subscribe to help me out. If you have suggestions for me, please feel free to put constructive criticism there. For all y'all who think I should have used new parts, sorry, I'm not rich, so I use what I can. With that being said, I will continue this build and add another video when I have more footage. Paul, come here. Is the car looking better than it was?
No.
No?
Because it's bad.
It's bad still? What's wrong with it?
It's been sealed.
It's been shoot? Oh, those holes there? But don't those parts look better and line up better than the old ones? No. Am I wasting my time? Yeah, I am? Do you think I can finish this build, Paul? You do think I can finish it? Okay, I'm glad you believe me that much.
Dada.
Yeah.